Good luck, Jared. 808Lexus going to do a box of 2020 Panini Contenders football. I just said 1, 2, 3, right? I said 1, 2, 3. I went front to back. Hey man, your Canadian post office or whatever, Jim, are being real dicks right now. Total dicks. Leighton Vander Esch, 194 of 199. Josiah DeGuara. I forgot how you could tell the difference. You got my package? I sent one to Carrie, Red Nation, and I got it back today from Series 1 Baseball. Yeah, I'm getting a bunch of jerks up there. They said, "Oh, undervalued." They said so the package was undervalued. I think that's what she. No, I don't. I think she paid a little more for the Blue Jays. So I'm gonna have to start marking some stuff up. Devon Hamilton for the Jaguars, 32 of 52. The rookie ticket, the ticket stub. Devon Hamilton was Lamar Jackson. Patrick Mahomes. What are the, like, what? Yeah, they do that. Yeah, I'll show you right now. Variation. C.J. Henderson. That's how you figure it out. C.J. Henderson variation. Photo variation. Those are fine. That'd be funny. Okay, let me go check out this guy's website real quick, see what the Blue Jays cost. That might have had my name on it. I gotta double check. That's an old package. That's from a while back. Ernest Johnson. He's from 2019 to Ernest Johnson. Burrow and Tua. Burrow and Jefferson. All right, your on Carter behind Jacob Eason is Out of 49, Keyshawn Vaughn, Super Bowl champion. 37 of 49. Keyshawn Vaughn. It's not bad. Damn. Oh, okay. Sorry. 2 or 3. Pressure him right now. 2 or 3. Oh, look at that. I pressured him. Alright, box up. How many spots left? 4 spots left. Somebody wants to copy the random team thing. 4 spots left. Where's Alejandro? Alejandro's not getting in on it? No, Alejandro's not getting in on it. Or he's waiting for the last spot. What's up, Keith? Keith, I switched it over to single random team, like random team breaks. But since you and Dean purchased a spot, I give you guys 2 spots for the one price. That's $73. So you guys save $15 each. Chase Young. DeAndre Swift, 16 of 49. Rookie of the Year contenders. You hit a Herbert 101. This video feed is gone. I think there's somebody knocking on my door if the Herbert 101 comes out. Malcolm Perry for the Dolphins. Almost says Matthew Perry on there. But you got it, man. Reward for purchasing first. Chase Young, Jeff Okuda. Okuda was a first rounder. Cam Akers. Oh, this one was forward. Rashard Lawrence. Yeah, we know he's not a short print. I got him already in the last set of boxes. How many is that? 1, 2. James Proche. Two. Cops at my door. Pittman. Kyler Murray. Ezra Cleveland. Okay. Seth Simmons. And your hits is Redemption. All right, here we go. '2020 Playoff Contenders. Card set. Rookie ticket RPS. There it is, right? There it is, right? Joe Burrow. Sorry, it's just a base rookie ticket. But it is a rookie ticket of Joe Burrow. Hey, Jordan Love and not Jordan, Jacob Eason and Joe Burrow. You got it. Congrats, Jared. Box 3.